So I opened up this Matchbox Ultra Freightliner, the Stars and Stripes Forever truck. I must say I'm over the moon with it. Very happy. What I did do was to lower the trailer, the level at which the trailer rides, and you can see from this photograph the difference I've made. So I needed to take off the rear axles and file them down together with the hook at the front, if you wish, which I reduced in length as well. So the trailer now sits about 2-3 millimeters lower, which makes the whole truck look a little bit more streamlined, a little bit longer. The other Matchbox Ultra truck, which I ordered through eBay, has arrived, and I'm going to take a quick look at it now. The box is reassuringly heavy. So we can guess the type of cab inside this wrapper. It's obviously a long nose truck, in contrast to the cab over. And here's the trailer. So I've just been unwrapping this, and there's still some packaging on the stacks to protect them. There is only one stack which is complete. The other stack snapped off. This is prior to purchase. I was aware of that, but I do have the stack somewhere. I think it's in a paperwork envelope. I do like this. This is really cool. Everything on it, apart from the rubber tyres and the plastic windows, is metal, including the guards that go over the rear wheels. They're all metal. So I have to say, this is fantastic. So pleased with this. So like the other trailer, the front section of this trailer sits a little bit high. So at some point I'm going to adjust that so that it sits lower. The rear section seems to be okay, but I think the front needs to sit lower to make it more streamlined. And in fact, if you look at the design of the blue and red ribbon running from the sleeper unit to the trailer, they would be more in line if the trailer was lower. Absolutely awesome. You're only 200 once, the world's finest bourbon, Jim Beam, celebrating 200 years of perfection. How cool is that? So once again, this is a Matchbox Ultra, and I don't know in what numbers they've been produced, but they're seriously limited, and certainly for eBay UK, there's only about 2 or 3, 4 available at any one time. We shall take a closer look in a future video. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.
I did it. Boogie. Yeah.
Just do it. 3 words with a period.
I know. I know.
So I say, my sneakers more cleaner than yours, more meaner, more cleaner than yours. I got it mastered, and my cars go faster. 85 an hour, I'm about to take them backwards. My sneakers more cleaner than yours, more meaner, more cleaner than yours. I got it mastered, and my cars go faster. 85 an hour, I'm about to take them backwards. Yeah, now that's back to the essence, the freshest princes in your presence. The uniform on backwards, the effing never left from Miss Alaska. Went to a thrower from a crasher. Now I just flowing right past ya. Let me take a second to add up all the factors. A-track on the track. Lupe is the rapper, man about town. Proud member of swagger. Supreme roll attention, getting glisten, never resistant to anything. Non-pimpin' or whacker. I'm much flyer, united, I'm NASA. I'm much higher, not a puffer, I'm a passer. Not a rusher or a tackler. I ain't got a cuff or tagger. Like I'm